All right, this is the part B. Okay, let's say for example you don't want to wait for BTC to get to that $350,000 that you kept it before. You want to close it. All you have to do is to come to close. First of all, you go to your position over here. When you tap on it, you come here, you come to close, and you do what? You tap on it. Over here it allows you, it's over here you can drag the market. As you can see, this is all if you want to close all. Now if you want to close 75%, 74, 65, 50, you see 25, anyhow you want to close. If you do not want to close all, you can just drag it. As you can see, it's very easy. And you do what? You click on confirm. If you want all of them, you go to 100% and you click on confirm. And if you also want part of it, you do the same thing. All right, so let's go back. Okay, now let's assume that we are in profit and you want to adjust it. Remember, we kept stop loss at 108. Okay, and so let's say it pumps very high and you want to now adjust to take some part profit. Okay, so all you have to do is to go back to open order. You see, just click on open order. Then this place, this is where we have it, 108. Okay, so all you have to do now, you're going to see cancel. Look at cancel over here. All you have to do is to tap on cancel. Now when you tap on cancel, it brings an option where I do not want to cancel. Well, let me just show you. You just tap on cancel. As you can see, success. So once you tap on that cancel, go to the position, click on CP and LSP. This is position. Come over here, click on take profit stroke stop loss. Okay, then you click on this position up here, position CP stroke SL. Then this, you can see your entry price over here. You can also see the market price over here. Now what we are going to do now is you have to lock down your profit over here. Okay, so you have to include another SL. So all you have to do now is to include your SL here. It's out. Okay, let's go back to okay. So I'm going to be losing this amount. So you're going to be seeing the amount you'll be losing. It goes against you. So I'll just tap on it and we'll click on confirm. As you can see, it's very easy. There's nothing difficult to do here. All right, this will be all for today. So make sure you follow me on my Telegram channel. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping some tips as well. I'm going to be dropping the part C, the continuation of this video. Thanks.